My name is Alicia. I'm PADI instructor and part of the Scuba Froggy family here in Lombok and Gili Islands. Since 2010, we have been sharing our passion for ocean and scuba diving with thousands of people from all over the world. And trust me, it's been an amazing journey.
Scuba Froggy is a PADI 5-star dive center with dive shops in Senggigi, Gili Trawangan and Kuta, Lombok. For over 14 years, we've helped thousands of divers and snorkelers discover the incredible underwater world around Lombok. Our team is a mix of local legends and international instructors, all dedicated to safety, fun, and making your experience unforgettable. Our comfortable boats are more than just transport. They are floating base for adventure. Fresh drinks, tasty lunchboxes, and most importantly, an experienced and super friendly crew. They carry tanks, help you gear up, and always keep safety first, while making sure you feel at home. What makes Scuba Froggy special? The vibe. We keep groups small so you always feel safe, cared for, and part of the team. Whether it's your first underwater bubbles or your 100th dive, it's all about comfort, fun, and discovery. Dive with turtles in the Gili Islands, explore caves and colorful reefs in Pink Beach, or feel the thrill of big fish in South Lombok. From snorkeling trips for families to advanced dives for pros, every adventure is tailored to you. Even non-swimmers can join and feel the magic of the ocean with us.
Are you ready to dive into your own adventure? If you would like to know more, or you need a special dive plan for you, or a tailored program for your family or friends, drop your message on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. I'll be happy to help you. See you in Lombok!